traveling in cars. I have already covered most states of India by road. We have also driven our car into Nepal. Here is one more video of mine. Today we have come to Joshi's Museum of Miniature Railways, the first miniature city in India, Pune. Look, there is a miniature train over here. Joshi's Museum of Miniature Railways. This is miniature train of Vande Bharat Express. Look, there are models of airports over here. And this is a traffic signal. When it shows a green light, we are allowed to remove our shoes and go inside to explore. Now we are purchasing these cute little keychains of trains. Look at the wheels of this train. They are spinning. These are the tickets for the tour. Green light. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, and of course my young friends, welcome to Joshi's Railway Museum, the only one of its kind in the country. We extend you all a very warm welcome. We are about to embark on a fascinating journey, a journey into the world of railways. Imagine then, it's holiday time. Early in the morning, shivering in the foggy dawn, you find yourself waiting on the railway platform, anxiously looking at the clock, waiting friends. And as you look around, there unfolds the busy world of trains. There's so much to see and hear. Overcrowded metros, colourful outstation trains, incomprehensible railway announcements, uniformed porters, anxious latecomers, relaxed ticket checkers, efficient tea stall vendors, smiling children. Goodness, there's so much activity. Because this fascinating world is about to take shape in many. But take care, don't lean out too far, because Mr. Bhaut Joshi's Wonder World, the culmination of a lifetime of study, hobby and hard work, is a very delicate creation. Hello there, yes you sir. Do step back a bit, because there's a train coming out to greet us.
Your attention, please. Train arriving on the outer track, bellowing smoke and shuttling fast, is the Joshi Welcome Train. This train is just 32 times smaller than the standard size. Kindly refrain from crossing the tracks, as this will prove injurious to the well-being of the train. Please note that the engine driver has put out his hand and is waving to you all.
But wait a moment, these roads, mountains, buildings, trains, they're all so small that we can neither walk in them nor sit in them. Bit of a problem here. The only solution is to become as small as they are. How? Well, here's an idea. Remember the story of Aladdin's magic lamp and the genie inside? Let's ask him to help help us. Okay? Ready? Shh. Shimmering, shining parallel track. First on top, a miracle black. Puts some water, gobbles of coal, carries back a million souls. Running on power, bellowing smoke, snaking behind C10 round loads, shunting tons of iron and sand, whistling through all distant lands. Chuck, chuck, slam, bang, shift tracks with horn and clang. Go up mountain, oh wonder train, bring to me the genie of trains. Bring to me the genie of trains. Command, oh master. You want to become part of this wonderful world by shrinking to its size? No problem. Just close your eyes for a moment. Ready? I'm going to sprinkle magic water on your body. There. Water running smaller and smaller and smaller. 1, 2, and 3.
Wow! What a fantastic world! Such small buildings, such tiny trains. But Jenny, what's happened to my voice?
Nothing really, Mouse. You were 50 years old. Now you've turned just 10. Let's fly through the sky in that yellow balloon and land in the city.
Okay, let's go.
Whoosh! That was neatly done. Careful now. Watch your step as you get off. Now, to carry us further, here comes a special kind of bus. For most of us, the word railway brings to mind the image of a train that runs on metal rails. In fact, we are going to see several other kinds of railways as well, which run on cables and tracks. This one here is called a rail bus.
Rail bus? What's that?
It's a single compartment bus which runs on metal tracks and is designed to operate where there are fewer passengers. In some parts of Europe, and even in Rajasthan in India, we find such vehicles. Here we are, at the railway station. You see the wide road just adjacent to it? That's the superhighway. Believe me, every single day, thousands of cars travel up and down this very road.
Oh, but everything is so silent here.
Well, we just have to get everything moving now. Instantly. Watch. All these cars are running at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour. One important difference in our roads is that here, all drivers obey traffic rules. Do you see the restaurant near the station? Customers happily munching on sandwiches or cakes. Efficient waitresses attending the tables. Just outside the restaurant, on the footpath, we see two women walking their dogs. What a contrast! Look carefully. One is holding a dachshund, a very small dog, while the other leads a Great Dane, a real big one. Go a little further, and there's a cycle race in progress. And a man on a motorcycle is filming it all. Hey, but we have to catch the train at the station, don't we?
Yes, yes.
Come on then, walk faster, faster, or we'll miss the train. Oh, no, we've missed it. You little fella, couldn't you walk a little faster? Oh, well, that's... By the way, that was an electric train. See those ball-like structures? It's called a pantoon. It draws power from the electric wires overhead. The closer, and you see the pantograph moving up and down with the wire. Nowadays, a lot of trains run on electricity. But in the old days, we had steam engines. Look there. A machine to crush the coal to required size. Trains to lift them. So many things.
Yes.
This crane is 120 feet tall. That's almost as high as a 10-story building. It can lift a weight of 6 tons. That's the weight of a truck.
My goodness!
The steam engine mainly relies on coal. So, back in the old days, a wagon full of coal used to be attached just after the engine. Here, a coal dumping mechanism is being used to load crushed coal into a wagon. Notice the smoke rising out there? That's a power station where power is generated from coal. There are lots of interesting features about these steam engines. Unlike electric trains, they couldn't be turned around quickly, so they had to be guided onto the tracks in whichever direction you wanted to go. The device used to do that job was called the turntable. There it is. See? It sure is. But nowadays, the only place you can see these coal-operated trains is here, at the Joshi Railway Museum. Ah, look there. A goods train has just left the yard. It's been given the appropriate signals too. There it goes. Over bridges, through tunnels, and failingly obeying the signals, staying on track, puffing, periodically blowing its whistle, on and on. That's a TV tower, and built around it is a coffee house. What's special about this coffee house is that it travels up and down, just like an elevator. So you sit cozily sipping your coffee while viewing the lovely sights of the city. Everything looks so tiny from up here. Hey, look there. You can see a swimming pool been planted on the day the first train ran in India. Today, its trunk would have been 4 feet in diameter. The bottle tree you see has been carefully made to the same specifications. See that garden behind the swimming pool? How beautiful it looks. The games erected inside the garden also appear so small from up here. Look at that toy octopus. How realistically its tentacles are moving. Oh.
Wow, a trapeze show. Tiny artists.
Okay.
Come on, let's go and sit in a toy train.
Smallest working train in the world. The distance between its tracks is less than 1 centimeter. In fact, only 9 millimeters. It's built in the ratio 1:160. Giraffes, bears.
So real.
But let's move on. The next circus show has just begun. Okay, let's pick up the tent once more. Look, lions and tigers have just come out, and the ringmaster is making them perform tricks. Hey, what's that? Smoke. A building has caught fire. Flames. Somebody call the fire brigade fast. Oh, look. The fire engine is already on the way. Thank goodness. Oh, somebody inside the building has already put out the fire. So now, the fire engine can go back. this fire engine. Similar to a train engine, it pulls its own tanker. Now that the fire has been put out, the fire engine is not sounding its siren as it moves. A hanging monorail traveling quietly above and a bus driving smoothly below. Less pollution in the air, more space utilized. At Mohapatra, in Germany, a monorail like this one has been functioning since 1901. Where the drive-in theatre, you drive your car right inside and park. Then you sit back and enjoy the film while munching on popcorn, peanuts, or sipping a cola. How can we? Railways can climb steep mountainsides, but while doing so, the seats in the carriage will tilt at a steep angle, and you could fall down from your seat. To prevent this from happening, some railways are built in diamond shape, with the seats parallel to the slope, like that red-colored one, called a funicular rail. There's another kind of railway that ferries people from the bottom of the mountain right up to the top. In fact, you all know it. You've seen it many times in films. Care to guess the name? It's called a ropeway or cable car. Ski slopes in Switzerland. Near these mountains are located the city's oil refineries and chemical factories. Work is in rapid progress. Look in that steel foundry. Someone is doing some welding. The sparks and smoke are easily visible. Usually, one has to walk up to a mountain and then climb up. But what if the mountain itself could be moved and brought close to you?
Moving mountain? I don't believe it.
Watch. Behind this mountain, one can see a beach and steep valleys. We also see a fort. Below the bridge are some fountains. A fresh coat of paint is being applied to the new bridge. We see hardy trekkers on the mountain slopes and beehives too. There's a sculptor carving out a shape in the rocks. Far beyond, one sees soldiers practicing rappelling. Behind them is a huge lake. One can actually see ducks and ducklings in the water. Fabulous!
Wow, how real everything looks. It's beautiful.
Oh, well. It's getting late in the evening now. The lights are coming on, one by one. Twinkling like stars, they look so nice. Like Kopoli seen from Borghat or Los Angeles seen as your plane lands at night. This city too is lit up critically. But some of the windows, that's the business area. Busy during daytime, quiet. That's the business area. Busy during daytime, quiet. But be it morning or night, the world of the railways is always moving. And so are the wheels of trains. Look there. Departing from the station is the third fastest train in the world, the ICE railway in Germany. Its nose is shaped like an aeroplane to cut through the air. It can travel up to 450 kilometers an hour, which means that the journey from Pune to Mumbai would take only 45 minutes. That's some speed.
Hey, Genie, if this is the third fastest train, which are the other two?
Okay. At first place is the TGV rail in France. And the second place, of course, goes to the bullet train in Japan. Oh, how come the light suddenly went out? But my goodness, just look up. What a beautiful night sky. There's the Great Bear and the Pole Star and a small moon. You know, on April 16, 1853, the first train ran in India from Boribanda to Tanya. And on that day, this is exactly how the constellations looked. It was the 9th day of the moon. Hey, little master, it's night time now, and I must leave you to return to my land, snuggle in, and sleep.
Oh, Genie, wait! Are you gonna leave me like this? So small? Come on, make me big!
I almost forgot. I have to get you back to your normal size. Alright, close your eyes once again, and I shall sprinkle on you some magic water. 1, 2, and poof!
Well, that was quite a show, wasn't it? Thank you, folks. Thank you for visiting our museum. The Joshi's Museum of Miniature Railways is open every Saturday and Sunday from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. If you would like to buy railway models like the ones you just saw, they're available in the waiting area on the ground floor. Do tell your friends and relatives about this museum, and do visit us again. Goodbye.
Hi, this is me Tanya. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.